Bloody hell. That's a crosswind and a half. Ah! Jesus! Ah! And that GoPro must be fucking stuck right on there. Oh. Oh, the wind here is terrible. It's really windy. I'm going to tuck in, see if it gives me a little bit less wind. It's really windy.